Well, looks like it's fall. Look at that tree. Dang it. Summer's over. Just wanted to show you guys the BMS that I put on the system, the solar system. It's cold out. It's going down to 4 degrees Celsius tonight. So almost freezing. Gotta winterize this thing soon. Alright, let's go in here. So I got the furnace. Oh, sorry. Hope you guys aren't getting sick. Gotta shut the door. My dad's staying in here tonight, so turn some lights on. So I got the furnace on and this electric heater on. And I'm gonna show you. I only have both on because I want the electric heater to do all the work till the batteries go dead. It's a 1500 watt heater. And then once it goes dead, I want the furnace to keep it warm in here. So try not to use any propane. I'm just getting it warm in here for them. Let's see here. This is the app. So we're gonna connect it to that one. What is this? Come on. There we go. Okay. So let's see. Yep. The electric heater shut off first, so I'm gonna have to turn that up. We are sitting at 95%. The inverter is taking half an amp just to run itself. Oh, and the inverter fans are on too. Now it's just the inverter fans that are running, so the inverter's still throwing heat into here, which is perfect. And let's see here. It's 20. Let's see, that's one temperature sensor. Now we're gonna go here. Go to battery status. Here's the battery stats. Come on, focus. There we go. Everything's working good. So I've cycled this battery a total of 3 times, it looks like. Or 3 times worth. What else? Let's go back. You can go to log. I'll give you volts after discharge, stop, all this stuff, all this information, more information, more information. It's a sweet app. It's a sweet BMS. They're only 50 bucks. You can get them in 12S, 14S, 16S. I was gonna buy them for my main system just so I could have the app, but I don't like spending money needlessly. My system works. It works great. It has lights. I don't need this app. I would like this app, but I don't need it in there, but it is super nice to have. So now it's actually quite warm in here. I'm actually sweating, so I'm going to turn this down ever so slightly, so it is going to still hold. And then this I'm going to turn up, so this does all the heating. There, it just turned back on. So this will do all the heating until the batteries go dead, which it will go dead probably around midnight. It's about 5 o'clock right now, so they'll probably die at around midnight, or maybe, depends how cold it gets. But this alone can heat the crap out of this trailer. This trailer is one of the most insulated trailers I've ever owned, ever had, ever seen. It's got, the whole trailer is made out of foam. It's not made, it doesn't have cross members or nothing. So if it ever leaked, this trailer's garbage. It would fall apart immediately. But at a insulation standpoint, it's really well insulated. Even the floor has, it's almost 2 inches. It's like 1.75 inches of foam. Same with the floor, all the walls. So this trailer, it's really easy to heat. Probably the weakest point is the door. Anyways, I'm getting hot in here. I'm just setting this up for my dad. He's coming. He stays on the weekends because he works down in Toronto area. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this update. Hope you enjoyed the little BMS. I'll show you what the BMS looks like. And here's a little Bluetooth antennae. And then we got the BMS is right here beside the inverter. And it just works so well. I'm very, very happy with this BMS. And then we got the crappy green charge controller. I don't recommend these. I've had a few people ask me. They work, they're not great. When this cheap fan dies, it burns up. That's just what happens. I had 4 of these. I think I'm down to 2. So I got a new MPPT coming in the mail. I think it's the same one Old Time Engineer has. Pretty sure. I got the 20 amp version. And it's going to be going in there, and it's going to make me almost twice as much power. Thanks for watching, guys.